Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sole fillet. First, choose fresh sole fillets, ensuring they are firm and have a translucent appearance. Once you have your fish, pat each fillet completely dry using paper towels. This step is crucial for developing a lovely, golden brown crust. Dry sole cooks much better, creating that desirable texture without sticking to your pan. Season your sole fillets on both sides with a generous sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an even crispier texture, consider a light dusting of all-purpose flour. Just make sure the flour coating is very thin and covers the fish evenly, shaking off any excess. This subtle addition truly enhances the sole's delicate flavor and provides a wonderful crust when cooked. Heat a large, non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until it is quite hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as olive or grapeseed oil, and let it shimmer. Carefully place 1 or 2 sole fillets into the hot pan, ensuring they are in a single layer without overcrowding. This ensures an even sear and prevents the temperature from dropping too quickly. Cook the sole fillet undisturbed for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until the edges turn opaque and develop a beautiful golden brown color. Gently flip the sole and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes on the second side. The fish is perfectly done when it easily flakes apart with a fork, indicating a tender, moist interior. Avoid overcooking to maintain its delicate texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.